Here you got your microwave. You have a mid-sized refrigerator. Dim romantic lighting, if that's what you're into in your CR. You have one fan there, you have another fan there. But the air con is pumping nice. Here we are. It is the Manhattan condominiums in Cubao, Quezon City. So on the same side street as the Alley Mall, about 2 blocks, maybe 1 block. So here we go. Let's go. Let's start this. I already came in and my shoes there in my bag. Already, I guess I really like this place. It's studio style efficiency, we call it back home. It's very clean. That's important to me. It's very clean. Very secure building. So you come in, as soon as you come in to the right, you have, oh, let me talk about price first. I think it was $94 American dollars for 2 nights. That's weeknights, of course. I'm not sure what it is on weekends. So here's one electric burner there if you need it. Electric fan if you need it. Utensils, cooking utensils. Some mugs, a knife, all your glass plates here and bowls, forks and spoons, dish liquid. Here you got your microwave. You have a mid-sized refrigerator. About to go buy some water and things for that. Cabinets, nothing there. Bowl in there. What's in here? Pot. Rice cooker. So there you have that. Come over here, you have your CR. Okay. Dim romantic lighting, if that's what you're into in your CR. Anyway, have your toilet here. Toilet paper. What's this? Comes with a guest kit. I'm assuming it's a toothbrush or something. You have your mirror, and you have your stand-in shower. That's nice. Does this disconnect? No, it does. Yes, it does. It does come off as a handle. Okay. So you have your hot water controls are built into the wall. So you do have hot water. 2 towels, full-size towels, it feels like. Mop and bucket if you need to clean up. If I sound tired, I am. I checked in late, long day. Just flew in this evening, I'm sorry. I believe this is an intercom system for people that may be at the front door. I saw a buzzer or something at the front door. This may be to buzz them in, or maybe even to buzz them in from downstairs. I'm not sure. So here you have your sofa and table. The floors are stone. They are stone floors. I felt it. Yeah, they are stone. It's nice. You have your dining room table. You can pull it out if you want to, put the other chair on the other side, or just eat like this with your friends and family if you have. I'm here alone, but if that's what you choose to do. You have one fan there, you have another fan there. But the air con is pumping nice. There's the air con over there, it is working nice. You have some slippers there if you need them. Who knows, I left mine before. I didn't pack them with my luggage just today. Broom there if you need it, mop if you need it, closet, and hangers. And what do we have here? Anybody that knows me, I love this. I need an iron. It's so hard for me to iron in the Philippines at these hotels. I love this. Got full-size ironing board. Is this a steam iron? I think so. I'll find out. in the morning. But got my iron, good. Iron board, good. So yeah, got that there. Come over here. We have a lamp, have a mirror from getting dressed, try to look fly, go out, you know, step out in the town. Got a full-size, queen-size bed, something like that. I haven't sat on it yet, haven't tried it yet. It feels kind of firm. I'll let you know how it is. Little nightstand there. Full-size dresser here. Nice, clean, really nice. You're staying here multiple days. Like it says in the description, staycation for people who come planning to stay. Real nice, looks new, real nice. You have Wi-Fi. I haven't tried it yet to see how strong it is, but I'm going to soon. So you have Wi-Fi, have Netflix, comes with the room, YouTube. Give it a try, see what else, other channels. But nice size TV too, nice size television. And here you have the balcony looking over Quezon City. But hopefully you can see this. I will take another shot of this in the morning to show you the view in the daytime. But here is your nighttime view. It is really, it's nice. Different view of the city, different view of Manila. I like seeing the different angles, different views whenever I stay in Manila. It's a huge city. There's all types of different views. And this is one I have not ever seen before. Pretty interesting. Very interesting. So like I said, I'll take another video of this for you tomorrow morning and show it to you. But this is what it looks like tonight. So let's go back inside. It's kind of hot out here. So there you have it. Manhattan condominiums, condo rental. I got on booking.com. I'm not sure if it's on Agoda or any other app. I saw it on booking.com. Any questions, just ask me and I'll give you the information for the room if you want to come here and stay. Recommend it. It's a nice building, secure building. Lot to do in the area, it seems like. And it's a very clean place. You should enjoy this with your friends and family. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. And I'm not sure if the couch pulls out. I doubt it. But so what? It's still, you can actually lay on this and sleep on this. And it's pretty cool, pretty nice. But there you have it. Fancy light. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.